Luxury Kitchen 2025. Timeless U.S. design with elegant materials, layout and statement lighting. In 2025, the concept of a luxury elegant kitchen transcends its conventional role, embodying a synthesis of design, comfort, and advanced functionality. It's a space where artistry meets utility, creating a setting that reflects both opulence and warmth. By integrating the finest materials, a meticulously planned layout, and breathtaking statement lighting, you craft a kitchen that exudes sophistication, while maintaining an inviting atmosphere. High-end finishes, such as marble countertops with their distinct veining, bespoke cabinetry tailored to your aesthetic preferences, and premium hardware in a range of elegant finishes, contribute significantly to the kitchen's posh allure. Strategically placed decor elements, whether an ornate backsplash or meticulously chosen kitchenware, enhance this ambience, creating a space that feels cohesive and meticulously curated. Whether leaning towards a sleek, modern aesthetic or embracing the timeless appeal of classic design, the judicious selection of materials and details transforms the kitchen into a luxurious sanctuary. The kitchen's layout plays an indispensable role in harmonizing beauty with practicality. Embracing open concept designs that effortlessly blend the kitchen with dining and living areas promotes a fluid and inclusive space conducive to both lively gatherings and intimate family moments. Central to this design philosophy are spacious kitchen islands that provide additional workspace and serve as hubs for social interaction. Incorporating smart storage solutions ensures the kitchen remains clutter-free, preserving its elegance. High-quality textures, whether rich wooden finishes, enduring natural stone surfaces, or shimmering metallic accents, infuse the space with depth and character, crafting a dynamic yet harmonious visual narrative. Attention to detail, from the strategic placement of appliances to a thoughtfully chosen color palette, further accentuates the kitchen's balanced and timeless design. Lighting serves as the crowning glory of a luxury kitchen, breathing life into the space and highlighting its exquisite craftsmanship. Grand chandeliers provide a focal point that captures the eye, while sophisticated pendant lights and discreet under-cabinet LED accents contribute subtle sophistication and functionality. Warm, layered lighting schemes create a cozy, welcoming atmosphere, drawing family and guests into its embrace, while maintaining an aura of elegance. By thoughtfully combining ambient task and accent lighting, you cultivate an environment that feels as much an elegant retreat as a functional workspace. A well-designed luxury kitchen is ultimately about more than aesthetics. It is a place that feels like home, a backdrop where cherished memories are made, where the art of living is practiced daily, and where every moment spent is treasured.